Hello viewers, let us look at how you will construct different angles without using a protractor. So here we have 15 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 75 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, 135 degrees, 150 degrees, 165 degrees, and 180 degrees. Now this is how you will construct these angles without using a protractor. When you are provided with only a ruler, either 15 centimeter ruler or a 30 centimeter ruler, and a compass. First, when you are not given the length of the line, you will draw a line of any length. Okay, let's make this part here A. This is the side where we want to construct these angles. Okay, so when you have a line BA and you want to construct those angles at this point, the first thing that you'll do, you will adjust your compass to any length. Okay, that one will make like the radius of the circle that you'll be constructing. So let the compass stand where you want to construct that angle, and then with that length draw a semicircle. When you draw a semicircle like that, without adjusting the compass, stand here at this point where this line that you are drawing has cut the line, the line BA. At that point, make an arc. Okay, then again from there also stand at that point again, make an arc, and then at that point also make another arc. So you will have divided this semicircle into 3 equal parts. Each and every angle, when you extend a line, or you project a line from point B up to the first arc here to meet this first arc at this point, the angle that is in between here is going to be 60 degrees. So that way you will have constructed 60 degrees. That way you will have constructed this 60 degrees here. To get 30 degrees, you will bisect 60 degrees. You know, to bisect an angle, you will put, you will adjust this compass to any length. Once you adjust the compass to any length, stand there at point B, then make an arc this side, another arc this side, with the same length without adjusting. Stand at that at this arc here that you put here. You see where it is? Put another arc, and on this opposite one put another arc. Make a line from point B to meet this arc where these two arcs met, like that. Okay, that way you will have bisected this angle. So the angle that you'll get here will be 30 degrees. So when you want to construct angle 30 degrees, You will first construct angle 60 degrees, then you bisect that angle 60 degrees. You'll come up with 30 degrees, and here will also be 30 degrees. So here 30 degrees, you'll have constructed it. Now let's see how you can construct 15 degrees. To construct 15 degrees, you will bisect this 30 degrees. You will bisect 30 degrees. To bisect this 30 degrees, adjust compass to any length, okay? It can be to any length. Then stand at B, where that angle is. Make an arc to cut this line that is marking the 30 degrees part, and this line BA. So make those two arcs, this one and this one, okay? Let it not confuse you. Make sure that you know where those marks are. Then stand at the level where you put this. Make another arc and stand at the level where you put this one here. Make another arc. Then you can now connect from this where these two arcs met to point B. Construct where those two arcs met to point B. So by that, the angle that will be here will be 15 degrees. That way you will have constructed 15 degrees. That is 15 degrees. So, you know, this one here is 30 degrees. If you bisect this other 30 degrees, that is this other 30, you know, remember when you constructed 60 degrees, when you bisected 60 degrees, you got 30, and this one also was also 30. If you bisect this other 30 and you take this angle, you add to that, you'll get that 60 degrees. So if you when we are making sketches, we had this sketch, the first sketch that was 60 degrees, then there is another sketch here, that was in the initial one. If you take B from point B to meet this second sketch that you made, the initial one there, this angle that will be formed here will be 120 degrees. From here to here 60 degrees, from here to here 60 degrees, from here up to where you started here will be 120 degrees. That is how you will construct 120 degrees. So in order to construct 90 degrees, you will bisect this 60 degrees that is here at this point. With that same length, there, you stand there, bisect this. Then from point B, here, extend or produce another line here. This one will be 90 degrees. That is how you will construct 90 degrees. So now we know how you will construct 30 degrees, how you will construct 15 degrees, how you will construct 60 degrees, and how you will construct 120 degrees. And there is also 90 degrees. So let's look at how you let us look at how you will construct 45 degrees. Remember when this one here was 60 degrees, when you bisected this 60 degrees, you got 30 degrees, and this other remaining one was also 30 degrees. when you bisect these 30 degrees that remained this side, you will get 15 degrees and 15 degrees. Let's bisect this. When you bisect this here, I want to stretch it far a bit so that those marks there don't coincide. Yes, you put this one here and this. Then when you stand there at that point there, there's that mark there, and from there also put another mark. Let's repeat for this side because it did not go up there. Yeah, so where they meet there, you will join them from point B up to where these two arcs meet. Yes, so when you take this 30 degrees that is this side and you add to this 15 degrees that is remaining this side, the whole of this angle here will be 45 degrees. So that is how you construct 45. You'll first, when you're constructing 45, you construct 60 degrees, you bisect that 60 degrees to come up with 30, and then this 30 on this other side, you will also bisect it into 15, so that 15 plus this 30 on this side bring 45 degrees. Piece. In order to construct 180, you will draw the line, then stand at B and adjust this compass to any length. Okay. Once you have drawn a semicircle with it, do not disturb the compass. Just leave it the way it is. Stand here, make an arc, stand here, make another arc, and then when you stand here, you make another arc. You know, the whole of this from here up to here will be 180 degrees. So that is how you will construct 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So let's look at how you'll construct 150 degrees. In order to construct 150 degrees, you know that the whole of this is 180 degrees. Here, from here up to here, this and here, this is 60 degrees. Okay. Then here is 120 degrees. This one here. From here up to here is 120 degrees. Then from here up to here is the whole of this is 180. You know that 150 is 180 minus 30. So this last 60 degrees, you will bisect it. You will bisect it. Put any length here. Put a mark. Put a mark. Stand at the first mark here. Put another mark or arc. At this point also, put an arc. Then construct where these two arcs are meeting to the part B where you want to construct the angle. This one, for this one will be 30 degrees and this one will be 30 degrees. So if you take this 30 degrees and you add it to 120, that way you'll have constructed 150 degrees, because 120 degrees plus 30 degrees is 150 degrees. When you want to construct 165 degrees, you know that from here up to here is 150 degrees. Okay, and in order to get 165 will be 180 minus 15. If you subtract there here will be 5, here will remain 7, then here will be 65. So that means 180 minus 15 degrees will be 165. And if you look at this one here, this one was 120 plus this 15, you got look, this one was 120 plus this 30, you got 150 up to here. So if you bisect this remaining 30 into 15, and you take this 15 here, you add to this 150, you'll get 165. So let's bisect it. You just stand here with this length, put an arc, stand here without adjusting, put an arc, again here, put an arc. Where the two arcs are meeting, join it to the point where you are constructing the angle. Yes, so that one will make this side 15 and this one also 15. So if you take this 15 this side, you add to this 150, you'll get 165. That is how you'll construct 165. Let's look at how you'll construct 75 degrees. You see this one here, when you put the first mark here, this one is 60 degrees. Yes, and from here up to here is also 60 degrees. So if you bisect this, when you bisect this one, you'll get 30 degrees and 30 degrees. Let's bisect it. When you bisect it, you'll get 30 degrees and 30 degrees. So adjust this to avoid them, to make them not coincide. I'll stand here, make an arc, and I'll stand at this point here, make another arc, connect this arc with this, and connect this arc to this arc here. The whole of this one will be 30, and then if you take this 30, you add to this 60, you'll have 90 degrees. This 30 here, you can bisect it into 15. When you bisect this angle 30, you'll get 15. So if you take this 15, which is this side, 15 which is this side, you add to this 60, you will get 75. So you bisect this. Let's bisect it. Oh, sorry for that. You have to hold it tight. Yeah. Yes, at that point, and stand here again, make an arc, and at this point also make another arc where those two arcs are meeting. Join the line. Join the line. When you join that line, this one will be 15 degrees and this one here is 60 degrees. So this 15 from here up to here plus this 60 will be 75 degrees. So that is how you'll construct this one was 75 degrees. That is how you'll construct 75 degrees. Now let's look at how you will construct 105. Have we looked at? Okay, let's look at how we will construct 105 degrees. 105 degrees will lie within this part. Okay, remember this from here up to here is 120 degrees. So 105 is greater than 60 degrees and it is less than 120. So it will be lying somewhere here. Now if you bisect this, you'll get 90. Okay, if you bisect this, so this at this point, this is when this is if this is 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 105 minus 90 degrees will be 15. Okay, so if you get this 90 degrees, when you are left with 30 degrees to reach 120. When you bisect that 30 degrees, and you add that 15 to this 90 degrees that you got here, you will get 105 degrees. So let's bisect this. When you bisect this, stand here, put an arc, and let's see if you don't know the arc, just repeat again. You have to stand here, put an arc. When you join this to this, this angle from here up to here will be 105 degrees, because this one from here up to here was 90, then 90, if you add 15 to it, you get 105. So that's how you'll construct 105 degrees. 135 degrees, 135, just need to locate where that angle is supposed to lie. 135 is greater than 120 degrees, and that 120 degrees is here. So if you take 120 degrees, let's see how many degrees are you supposed to add for that. Here will be 15. So 120 degrees plus 15 degrees will give you 135 degrees. So if you have this one here to be 120, and you know the remaining part here is 60, and you bisect that 60 to 30, 30, this 30 here, you'll have to bisect it again in order to get that 15 that you will add to 120 in order to get 135. So let's do it. Here, that way, here, stand here, put an arc. Okay, I sorry, it is out of the of your vision. It's out of your vision, but this is how it will go. When it go like that, the whole of this here will be that 135 degrees. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed yet, because we'll look at we'll solve different problems together. And if you have a problem that you want me to solve also for you, you can put it on the comment section in order for me to solve it. Thank you for watching.